Hey guys, so today I am really excited because I found SuperThings Evolution a day early, in fact. So yeah, I found loads of mega packs and the Kazoom kits. Now, if you're wondering where I got these, this was the Tesco in New Toxter, and they had the mega packs in the Tesco Extra, but not the Kazoom kits. They no one packs, no vehicles, and no starter pack. But I don't know if they're doing. I don't think they are. Anyways, let's just get into it. I'll do a separate video with all of the glow in the darks, and what was I going to say? Oh yeah, if the video cuts off randomly, that's because of storage space. Okay then, right, let's get into this. Right, we'll start with Whoosh. So yeah, there's his box. Right, where's the open thingy? Here it is, right. I think I'm actually the first in the world and find this. I think someone said they found it in like a Morrison's Daily or something. Right, here's Whoosh. Here is Fan. Right, I like that name. Right, let's do Fan. What colour have I got? It's a yellow or blue, because both of them are possible. Oh, we've got blue. There we go. Now we did buy a mega pack off eBay because they are on eBay, and I got Edu and Egg Nest, which I'm really happy about. Who are the two glows that I got? It was like Mess Machine and Shinex Clean, I think their names are. Oh, Whoosh, here we are. His fan does actually like spin on his head, which is nice. And then he's got like a really cool weapon. Very nice. Open Sesame, let's go for Dynamax. Right, let's do the Kazoom Kid first this time. Oh, look at him. He reminds me of John Classic, but he doesn't have the moving mouth. Very nice. And then the Stegosaurus taco. Yes, Spiny taco. Let's see, what colour have I got him in? Yellow! Look at him. Yay! Oh, this one's already like half open. I did not do that. We've got hit hammer. Right. Let's do the nail link first. What colour did we get him in? He doesn't look like he glows. Okay, he definitely glows. We got him in green. A very highly replicated object. And then hit hammer. And he's got 4 arms because that's a thing now. Of course, the series I believe is a UK exclusive. It's why the leaks came so slow. Next. Right. As I said, found these in the Tesco in New Toxter. Both of them, but if you want the Kazoom kit, it's big one, not extra. No, not extra. Not express. Right. Nebulaxia. Oh, she looks really cool. Look at her. The gun doesn't fire, sadly, but I wouldn't expect it to. Look how cool that looks. Whoa! Right, and then it should be weird Saturn bloke with ties. What's your name? Star Explorer. Hey, look at that. Oh, so cute. Right, I'm pretty sure that is nearly all of the Kazookas. No, we still got 2 left. Right, on to Shack Shock. Very similar name to Shack Shack from series. I'm blanking. 12. How do I not remember that? Right, let's go for a little one. Oh, we got a checklist. Did any of the others have a checklist? Oh yeah, all of them have had a checklist. Yep, the numbers are still existing. Can confirm. Oh, they're showing the... Oh, the playset's nice. Turbo Warrior Power and Turbo Warrior Speed. Yeah, I did know about those, but still, that's cool. And then we've got there's the Kazoom Kids and their names. And all the different colours that they can come in. Right, Fred Master looks really cool. Oh, that is actually like really, really cool. Look at that. That is awesome. And then Shack Shock. got weird, like, oh, it's like Ultimax's glove or Power Punch is where it comes off. Nice. Right, and then have we got one more in there? Yeah. We've got Robochomp, the shark. Oh, broke it. There we go. Right, then. Robochomp. Of course, he's all glum in the dark. Oh, this looks so cool. Look at him. Ooh, I do not want to mess with him. Look at that. Wow. Sorry for the poor video quality. I'm calling this at like 5 o'clock or something like that. Bony can. Oh, that's cool. Look, he's got that spine coming out of him. That's nice. The exclamation mark. I don't know. Right, let's just get into the mega pack. Now, I have opened one of these, as I said earlier. I bought it off eBay. So, yeah. And this may take a while. For goodness sake, why won't it peel? Half this video is just going to be trying to open a mega pack, isn't it? I can see that happening. I should have brought up scissors. Hold on, bear with me a second. I'll go get some scissors because the sun is outside. Right. And I knocked something out of my SuperThings display. Brilliant, and I dropped